How to get rid of chameleons. Chameleons can be a major nuisance in your front lawn or back garden. Chameleons have been known to venture inside your house, if given the chance. If unchecked, a chameleon colony can and will decimate your population of beneficial insects, such as bees and butterflies. Luckily, you can work to help control your chameleon problem. Things you'll need: spray bottle, bug spray, Tabasco sauce, electronic lizard repeller, house cat. Instructions: walk around your garden and look for areas where there are large amounts of chameleons. In all likelihood, you will also find a large number of insects or hive or nesting grounds there, which are food sources for the lizards. Get rid of these insects and remove the food source for the chameleons. Use the bug spray to kill the insects in their nest or breeding grounds. Or spray a preventative insect killer in all areas of your house, especially the entrances. Mix Tabasco sauce with water and put the mixture into a spray bottle. Spray the lizards with this repeatedly. This creates a very unpleasant, burning sensation for the lizards and causes them to flee. Put some ice-cold water in a spray bottle. This is best used against chameleons that have entered your house that you are having problems catching. Once the cold water hits the lizards, it slows them down. You can then toss them out of your house. Purchase an electronic lizard repeller from your local home garden store or supermarket. These contraptions emit a high-frequency noise that is undetectable by humans but audible to lizards. Chameleons will flee from this sound. Release your house cat or one you have borrowed. Cats love to hunt and kill all types of lizards, including chameleons. Tips: warnings. If you have pets or wish to use a cat to control the lizards, make sure you are using a bug spray that leaves no harmful residue for them. Avoid store-bought sticky traps. These are ineffective and can be considered cruel.